What are the four identities, Ayush, we discussed in algebraic expressions? What are those four identities? Formulas we discussed, four important identities we discussed. What are those? Anyone in the class? Did I help? Children, I gave identities for this class or not? Please, first thing, let me know that. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b into a
Yes,
minus.
ma'am.
Did I give that part,
Yes, ma'am.
Manadeep?
Yes, ma'am. We even did it.
Very good, very good. Okay. So, what are the different identities we discussed? Just let me write those points, then we will go with factorization, children. A plus b whole square. Manadeep, what is the formula for a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. A minus b whole
No, no, no. A plus b into a minus b.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, a square minus b square.
Very good. A square minus b square. Next, Divyesh, x plus a into x plus b. Divyesh. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, x square plus.
Very good. X square plus x into a plus b,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Plus ab. Very good. Well, you are adding in the middle term, Nana. Multiplying in the end term. That's all. Very good. What is Bhinav? X minus sorry, x minus y whole square. Anything variables, don't worry about your variables, children.
Ma'am, x square minus 2xy
Hmm.
plus xy.
Plus,
Y square, ma'am.
that's why if I'm changing variables, you are getting confused. So x minus a into x minus b, who will give this? Who will give this? Please raise your hand. Yes, children, who will give this x minus a into x minus b? I can see one student, Manideep, very good. What about Abhinav, Ayush, Bhavya, Divyesh? Yes, why only Manideep is raising hand? Yes, Manideep. Instead of plus a
Hello,
and
ma'am.
plus b, we are taking minus a and
Hello,
minus
ma'am.
b. Yes, yes, I can.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please, Manideep, answer the question.
Yes, ma'am. X square
Very good.
minus x a minus b, ma'am.
No,
Sorry,
a
plus
plus
b,
b.
ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am. Yes, sorry.
no,
Minus ab.
no, not minus ab, because since both are negative means if you multiply both the numbers, what you will get? Plus ab.
Plus, ma'am.
If any one is minus means you will get minus ab.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the thing you're supposed to remember, children. These are the basic identities we are discussing in previous class. Now we will go with the factorization. This is a very important chapter for you, children. The factorization in this chapter, how to find factors. Finding factors are very, very important. Factors of an algebraic expressions and factorization using various methods. So we have different methods using factorization. Let me write step by step. We will go, children. Factorization, F-A-C-T-O or S-A-T-I-O-N, factorization. What is the meaning of factors? What is the meaning of factors? Children, so sorry. Factors. Suppose I want to know the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12, Bhavya? Number 12.
Ma'am, 1,
Yes.
2,
So 1 12s are 12. Yes.
2 2s are 6,
Yes. 2 6 are 12.
3 3s are 4. Yes, ma'am, that's it.
Yeah.
3 3s are 4. Yes, ma'am.
3 4s are 12. Right? These are the factors. So that means we are expressing the number, a number into product of two numbers. Yes or no? Same way in algebra also, you are expressing algebraic expressions as a product. Children, there are different methods using to factorize the. We have different methods. First one by finding common factors. That is very, very important, children. And the second one by regrouping terms, and the third one is using identities. We have discussed previous also. There are 4 identities we discussed. If any identity will applicable for that, like that, we can see that is one method. Another method is by regrouping, and the third method is by finding common factors. So I will just go with the introduction right now. Just now what I gave, the number 12 can be expressed in many ways. So we have factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of the number 12. That means 12 as a product of all its factors. So this is a 30 can be. Now what we can suppose to write here. So factors is called factorization of 30. Yeah, whatever the numbers, writing 30, writing 12 as a product of all its factors is called factorization of 30. The same way, similar way for factors for algebraic expressions too, children. Now let me go with a simple examples. 7ab. Yes, 7ab. So what are the factors for 7ab, Abhinav? So can we write it as
Ma'am,
factor?
7 into A
Eight.
into B.
Very good. The same way 3a square can be written as 3 multiplied with a multiplied with a, right? Yes or no? Yes, children. So 1 is always factor of every term, children. That is you're supposed to remember. 1 is factor for every number. Every term also, not only factor for every number. It's a 1 is always factor of every term, but we do not write 1 as a factor of all the terms unless it is required. Whenever required, that only we will represent, or else we never use 1, we never take. Suppose 1 and number itself is a factor for every number. Like that, the same way 1 is factor for every term. Every term. Whenever needed, we are writing, or else no need to write every time as 1 as a factor. Same way, express the following algebraic expressions in their irreducible. The word you're supposed to remember, children. Reducible means you need to further simplify. Irreducible means what? Irreducible, opposite to reducible. Irreducible means you are unable to reduce further.
Simplest form.
Yeah. Now let me take with a small example here. First one, express the following algebraic expression. Express the following algebraic expression. Expression in their irreducible form. In their irreducible form. In their irreducible form means irreducible form. Irreducible means further we are unable to irreducible form. So the question is given as 15 a cube b square. Another question is 7m n square and 18 p square q square. 18 p square q square or 18p. So irreducible form means you need what you're supposed to do, children. You need to find the factors. Yeah, please. What are the factors for 15 a cube b square? Ayush. What are the factors for 15 a cube b square?
M 50
15 can be, what are the factors for 15? We know that factors of 15. Yeah, 1 into 15 is so 1 we are always not writing. Any other factors we have?
3 into 5,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
3 and 5.
So here the 15 can be written as 3 into 5. A cube can be written as?
Ma'am, A into A into A.
Very good, very good. A, how many times? 3 times we are writing A cube. B 2 times. Why? Because B square. Very good. Further, we are unable to reduce this, Nana. This is irreducible form of your expression. Yes. The same way, can please anyone give the second?
Ma'am,
7
7.
7m into n, right? Then last one. Last one, we are further unable to reduce that. Like that, you're supposed to.
3 into 6.
No, 6 also we can reduce further. So we are unable to write as 6. So can I take it as a 2 into 3 into 3? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because 2, 3 further we are unable to reduce. So we can take it as so p square can be written as p into p. Q square can be written as q. Right. Yeah. Just a minute, children. Ma'am, my test. I think I got ma'am, for my test, everything got jumbled. I did not. I did it 3 times, but again reloads and changes the answers. I think Abhinav, yesterday Sunday test you are speaking. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav? Why it is? Anyway, if the question paper you're supposed to send personally so that I can see where the students are facing.
Ma'am, I did it 3 times, but again it reloaded and gave whatever answer.
Happening for few students like that. Children, this is okay. Please, we will discuss that. Any doubts? Please let me know in the question paper. Children, we will discuss that part.
After tomorrow, I have,
Yeah, please, at last 10-15 minutes, we will discuss. Please stay with me, children. We will go with. Okay.
Ma'am, for me, tomorrow I have maths exam.
For whom, Manideep?
Yes, ma'am.
Manideep, what are the chapters you have?
Ma'am, sets, rational numbers.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sets, rational numbers.
Okay.
Factorization.
Okay. Factorization also there.
Yes, ma'am. Square
Okay.
and cube roots.
Okay, please, whatever the doubts, if you have any doubts also, please let me know, Manideep, so we can go ahead.
Yes.
Uh,
No doubts.
okay, right,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
So next question, find the product of common factors of a given expression. Different ways we are taking, children, please stay with me. You need to find the product of common factors of the given expressions. Suppose the expression is taken here, 14a square b and 49 AB cube. What you're supposed to do, you need to find the product of
Ma'am,
common factors.
7 into A into
Oh, very good. So 14 a square b can be written as 2 into 7.
Seven.
Very
Yes,
good. A into b. Same way 49 can be written as.
ma'am, 7 into 7.
Very good. So a multiplied b
A
3
into
times.
B.
What is the product of common factors? Product of common factors. First, you need to find out common factors. Then product of common factors. What are common factors, Nana?
Ma'am, 7
Yes, 7 is common in both. Very good. A
A
is common in both.
B.
B is common in both. So what is the product of 7? Can we take it as 7AB as a common product of these two? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So by seeing how we supposed to write, children, like that, first let me step by step how to find a common factors. Then we will go with another part, children. Now please find out the product of common factors in the following expression: 4AB and 12BC, children. Which is common in these two? which is common in these two. Not only this, there is one more expression also given, 36 CA or AC. These are the three things, common thing. 4AB can be written as how we supposed to write 2 into 2 into A into B. So 12 ABC can be written as 2 6er, but 6 we are unable to reduce. Again, we will go with the 2 times B into C. And what other part is the last 36 AC? 36 AC. So 2 into half of 36, 18. One such 8 times. So 18 can be written as 2 nines, 3 threes, right? So A into C. So what are common factors in these? Common factors are 2. Any other common factor we have? Any other common factor we have, children? What is common factor? Only common factor is 4. Like that, we can find first common factors, then factorization by finding common factor method. Now you need to find out the factorization of the given expression. Let me take the expression. Yes, shall I clear, children? Shall I clear? Yes. Next, factorization by finding common factor method. Factorization by, from here our original concept will be started. That earlier part is basic thing, children. Factorization by finding common factor. Finding, there are many methods. We will go step by step all methods. Finding common factor. So in this, let me take an expression here. 5A plus 10. 5A plus 10. By seeing it, since which is common in these two, children? Which is common? Yes. Children, am I audible to you? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is common in these two? By seeing in this expression, can we take it as a common as 5? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'm taking as a common, so what is left over here? A plus
10.
no 5.
5. A plus 5.
A
Ma'am,
plus
2.
A plus 2. Very good. So if you multiply further, you will get the same. 5 into A, 5A. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. That's why earlier I'm giving common factors. How you supposed to find common? 5 into A. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So which is common factor here? 5. That's why I'm giving the basic part earlier. Yeah, please, next question. Factorize. 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 Very important, children. The step by step basic things only we will go. Then we will go with the sums. Basic part, please supposed to learn carefully, children. 4m cube y to the power 4 minus m to the power 4 into y cube. By seeing it, since you can see what is common here. Is it common for here? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm taking 4 as common. And m minimum power. What is m? M cube is here. M power 4. Which is minimum power here? M cube. M cube. So that m cube you take. Now y to the power 4 here. Here y cube. Which is minimum?
Ma'am, y cube.
Y cube. You just take the terms as a common. What is left over, children? If you take these two parts anyway, we are taking outside, and here y cube only we are taking. In y cube we are taking means only one y is remaining. Yes or no?
Ma'am, y.
Y is remain. Yes. And here what is left over? So 4 only we are taking. For 2
Ma'am,
times
2.
2. And m we are taking only 3.
Ma'am, m. Yeah, m.
M.
That's it.
Only m. That's all. This is the factorizing method. By eliminating common factors, by removing common factors, we can do the terms. Children, you are facing any difficulties to understand this concept? This is basic. Children, please try to get the point. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll help you once again 1 or 2 times also. No worries. And the next question, second question, you give your own children. 4ABC plus 12a cube b cube c cube minus 8a square b square c square, children. This is your expression. Please eliminate the common things. Which is common by seeing you observe all the terms, children. Please observe all the terms.
All the and 4, ma'am. 4 is the. So how do we take the common one?
Please observe all the terms, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
here all the like the squares and cubes and those all.
No, each and every term what you have, please let me know, children. Each and every term what you have here.
4, ma'am.
4. Is it ABC is common in all these?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So you
Yes,
check
ma'am.
me, observe, very good. Now, if I'm taking 4ABC as a common, what is everything is coming? We know that everything is 1 is a factor for every number, right? Can we take it as 1 here? Yes, 1 into 4ABC. No number, everything is coming outside means 1 is left there. And 4, how many times 12, Nana? If you have like that any doubt, you can go with the division also, children. This is one more simple technique for you. So 4ABC, if you take common, so 4 1s are 4 3s are A 1 time, here 3 times, so it is cutted and write it as 2 times. So what is left over here? 3A square, B square, C square. And the last term also same way. You can take whatever the things are common here. A square, B square, C square divided by 4ABC. You need to simplify. 4 1s are 4 2s are minus 2. So A, B, C 1 time means squares will be cancelled. Here what is left over? Minus 2 ABC. Like that also you can go. If you have any doubts, you can go like that also. In this way we can take the common factors. Yes. Any doubt, children? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt, children? Okay.
No doubt.
Okay. Can we go with the next further bits, children, so that you can practice means you will get, children. Without practicing, nothing you will get. If you practice 1 or 2 bits, you will try to do your own. If possible, please try to do, children. 72. 72. A power 10. B power 8 minus 108. 108, A power 8 and B power 10, children. Very, very simple. By seeing the 72 and 108, which is common, which is the common in 72 and 108, highest common. There are many common factors, like both are even numbers, so 2 is common, even divisibility rule 3 will satisfy. Which is the highest common is very important, children. Yes, yes. Which table highest it is? Both numbers will divisible.
Ma'am, 36.
Very good. Someone said 36. Very good. Or else, if you don't know like that, also you can just go with HCF also, children.
12 also.
HCF, if you find out those two numbers, 72 ones are 72. So here the 6, this is 36. So 72, 36, 2 times 72, which is highest common factor, HCF of these two. 36. Very good. One of Lalit said you are correct, Lalit. Very
Ma'am, it can be 12 also.
Huh? What more?
12.
That's why I'm telling there are many factors. There are many common factors. 2, 3, 12. Many are there. Which is the highest common in that?
Oh,
Highest common is?
36.
That's why we are going with the 36 children. Now you have to see here a is there, a power 10 is there. So here a power 8 is there, a power 10, a power 8, which is minimum repeated. Both cases which is repeated. If you take a power 10 is not there in second term. So which one is minimum here? That you have to take outside. A power 8. Now b power 8 and b power 10, which is minimum in this?
B power 8.
So b power 8 you need to take. Now b power 8, 72 means 2 times a square minus this is what is this now? 3 b square. Yes, any doubts please let me know. Any doubts please let me know. That's why HCF, highest common factor, is very important here. If you don't know, ma'am, I don't know how I am going to get this, then you can go with normal division also, children. 72 a power 10 by b power 8 divide with whatever the things you are taking common here, 36 a power 8 and b power 8. So b power 8, b power 8 cancelled, 36 ones are 36 twos are. So this is nothing but a power 10 by a power 8. It is a division means obviously we are going to subtract the exponents. A square. Like that also you can take. If you have doubt, you can go like that also. Any difficulty, children, please tell. Ayush? Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
any difficulty here while understanding? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand properly. Can you explain again?
Oh, sure, sure. You see, this is our question, Ayush. You just see 72 a to the power 10, b power 8 minus 108 a power 8 and b power 10. This is our question. You need to factorize this. So to factorize this, we need to eliminate the common factors. You need to take outside the common factors. Highest common factor. Which is the highest common? By seeing 72 and 108, I just did earlier also. 72 and 108, highest common, how you supposed to find, Nana? By doing HCF. By doing HCF. How to do HCF of two numbers, Abhinav? Ayush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
72 and 108, highest common factor I need to find out in this. Can I go with HCF of division method?
Yes, ma'am.
72 ones are 72. What is left over here? See, 36. Now this is your divisor. Previous divisor is your dividend. So 36 2 times 72, 0. So which is the 0 remainder? That is the HCF of your numbers. So HCF is what number you are getting?
And 36.
So I am taking 36 outside. Now you go with these two terms. These are variable terms. Variables, you see, Abhinav, a power 10 and first a coefficient, a terms. You need to see a terms. So what are a terms? Here you are getting a power 10 and a power 8. So both the terms, which is common? Which is common?
8, ma'am, a power 8.
8 is common. In this, this can be written as a power 10 can be written as a power 8 into a power a square. And in these two terms, which is common? Abhinav, which is common here?
Ma'am, A
Power?
power 2.
A power 2 కాదు నాన్న, a power 10.
8, ma'am.
A power 10 and a power 8. In this, which is common? So a power 10 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు నాన్న? A power 8 into a square గా
Ma'am,
రాసుకోవచ్చు.
A power 8 only, ma'am.
A power 8 is common in these two. So I'm taking a power 8 as a common. Now go with b terms. B power 8 and b power 10. In this, which is common? Which is common, children?
B power 8, ma'am.
B power 10 can be written as b square, right? Yes. So b power 8 is common. Now leftover terms we have to see, children. What are leftover terms? 36 you are taking outside. 72, 36, how many times you will get 72? 2 times. So you are taking a power 8 outside. That means 8 you are taking outside means what is left over here? A square. Anyway, b power 8 already you are taking outside. Now this can be written as 36 into 3 times 3, 3, ab square. 3b square. Like that. Any doubt, children? Please, any doubt, let me know. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Ayush, you got the points? Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Children, when we are doing the sums, you will understand step by step, children, because this is a first time you are learning. You may face little, but you need to practice. That is my intention. Children, we'll go with 1 or 2 bits also, so you can understand more easily. I'm going to take another example like a plus 3 into y. This is one expression, Mana. And another part is you need to factorize this. A plus 3 into b. In this both, which is common factor, Abhinav or Divyesh?
3 ma'am, y minus b ma'am, a plus 3 into y minus b.
No, yes, that's correct. Which is common in this both?
Ma'am, a
A
plus
plus 3, ma'am.
A plus 3.
If I'm taking a plus 3 outside, whatever the numbers are left over,
Y and B, ma'am.
y and b. Y, whatever sign is there in the middle, you have to take that sign and
y minus b ma'am.
so this is the way we can factorize. This is very simple sum. But earlier sums were little complex sums, so that's also very simple only, children. Next, can we go little further? Some part, some complexity level sums. Yes, sixth bit. A minus b. A minus b. First thing you have to see the question seriously. Any common things are there? You have to check it. 3p minus 2q. And minus. Here in this another second term is 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2b, and 2q minus 3p. This is really interesting question. 2q minus 3p. Yes. By seeing, I didn't get any common. Any common you are getting, children, by seeing here. I think this is 3p and minus 2q, but signs are different here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we supposed to do? How we supposed to do this? Can I take in one expression as a minus common? Let me take in one expression as minus common. Yes, how you supposed to do, children? This is very similar question like 2 minus 3 minus 5 into 3. How you supposed to solve? Which is common in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is common here?
3p minus 3p.
No, in down part I'm asking, which is common here in this algebraic, in this arithmetic expression, which is common here?
3, ma'am. 3 and...
But here sign is there. With this sign you have to send other number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way, you just see the above expression. Please see the above expression. What is common in these two? I didn't see any common factor. So, but I can write this as if I'm taking minus as outside, this minus become plus. That means 2q, and this plus become minus 3p. I can write like that, and this is as it is. I'm writing 3a minus 2b, and here this can be written as 2q minus 3p.
Ma'am, so ma'am, minus 2q minus 3p are
Is common right now. So this sign you have to apply to this number. No need to worry. Then it becomes a b minus a. Why? Because if you multiply with the minus sign, The signs will be changed. Minus b become plus b, plus a become minus a. So this is common. Now you can write it as a 2q minus 3p minus 3a minus 2b and 2q minus 3p. Now you have to see which is distributed in both the expression. You have to eliminate that. You take outside that. You need to take outside 2q minus 3p, and whatever left over here, b minus a term is left over, and here 3a minus 2b term is left over. You can put in the bracket, children. So 2q minus 3p, here b minus a, Bhavya, b minus a, Bhavya. Is it minus? If you substitute minus inside, what happens? This is nothing but minus 3a. Minus into minus is
Plus.
plus 2b.
Plus 2. Yes.
Now you have to simplify by this. These are like terms. This is like terms. 2b plus b is 3b.
3b minus 4a.
Very good. Then 2q minus 3p bracket. This is 3b minus
b minus 4a.
Yeah, this is the way we can factorize the expressions. Little complex also, no need to worry, children, but you have to be little patient to do your sums. That is only the important. Don't, ma'am, this is very
Can you
tough task.
explain
I'm unable to do this. Please help me like that. No need to think always. Because math means how much you are thinking, that much enlarge your brain, children.
Ma'am, can you explain the before problem again?
Again, shall I go with once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Okay, the question is a minus b, very important also, children. This is a minus b, 3p minus 2q. We are doing the same varieties of questions in natural numbers. Natural numbers, we are doing same properties we are using and doing. But we are having arithmetic operations where here algebraic operations. So you have a little complex here, but it is also same like that part only, children. 2q minus 3p. By seeing only you can observe, children, this is 3p minus 2q. Here the signs will be just quite changed, right? You just see, children, only signs are changed, right? Yes or no? Children, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you can take here minus as outside, let me write. This bit can be do in different methods. I will do once again in another method. So this is as it is. I'm writing. This can be taken as a 3a minus 2b. In this, from this term, from this last term, I'm taking minus as common, children. If I'm taking minus as common, means the minus terms become plus, plus terms become minus. Yes or no? Children, if I'm taking minus as common, if you multiply also, you will see, if you just multiply means minus 3p, minus into minus plus 2q, you will get the same thing only. Yes, can I write like that? Yes or no? Now minus into minus become
Plus.
plus. It's minus 2q. This become plus. This is 3a minus 2b, and this is only 3p minus 2q. Now by seeing which terms are common here, you just see, children, this expression you observe. Is it common in both? Yes or no? Yes. Can we take outside 3p minus 2q? Can we take outside 3p minus 2? What is left over inside? A minus b here plus 3a minus 2b. Now you simplify, children. Now you simplify 3p minus 2q into this is a terms are a and plus 3a becomes 4a. B minus b and minus 2b means minus 3b. Like this we can factorize the given expressions. Yes, Lalit, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then you need to put some efforts, children, that's all. Shall we go with some other part so that one more question we will go? But in the examination, this much complex levels, they will never test you, children. Maybe any competitive examinations they will give means you just take outside minus as a common, then go with that. Now, factorize 8a bracket 4a minus 3b minus 24a square into 4a minus 3b. By seeing which is common, children, here, is it common? Yes or no, children, please let me know which is common.
Ma'am, 4a minus 3b, ma'am, 8a minus 24.
Come on, what is left over?
Ma'am, 80 minus 24 is 80 minus.
But in this also we can take some common factors. What is those common factors?
8.
8a can be written as 8 into a, and 24a square can be written as, can I take it as 8 3s are 24? Yes, a into a. Which are common in both?
Ma'am, 80, ma'am. Ma'am, so it's 80.
Yeah, 4a minus 3b. If I'm taking 8a as a common here, 1
Ma'am,
minus,
80, ma'am, 1 minus, ma'am, 3a.
yeah, 1 minus 3a. So these are the factors for the above expression. Like that, we can, some bits will come in 1 or 2 steps, some bit will be little longer. Can I give some students so that you can answer? Yes. Shall I give bits for your?
Ma'am, like in the before problem,
Hmm.
ma'am, we could have taken like a minus b as.
But that some cases they will test children, but in your level the complexity sometimes, because even I'm continuously observing the competitive examinations fall in the same varieties of questions. You
No,
just,
ma'am, like we could have taken a minus b as common, right? In the last problem.
yes, you can go with that part also. Anything answer is same only, you will get one, whatever the part you are taking outside. Only signs are opposite means you need to take minus. Please answer the questions now. A cube. 18a to the power 4 minus 20 a power 6. Now this question goes to Abhinav or Yushini. One question you're supposed to take and give answer, children, so that I can understand my students get the point. Something what I said today. Mine 21 AB and 49 ABC. This is for Lalit. This question for Lalit. Third bit for Lalit.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth bit for Nitya. Are you there, Nitya? Nitya, are you there? Why pin drop silent nowadays? You are not active in the classes. Pin 2 plus 25. Take your time and give answers, children, quickly. Fifth bit for Bhavya. Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is, you can answer, Bhavya. Factorize the following simple things only I'm giving, children, but you have to think and give answer correctly, children. Once you are giving correct answers, I will leave you to do. If you are not going to give correct answers, I can teach. Next, sixth bit, Manideep, are you there, Nana? Manideep, 4 m square n 6m to the power 4 and n square minus 8m cube and n cube. Children, are you taking the questions? Who are giving answers right now? Children, am I audible to you? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, please answer. Ayush, please answer your question. Lalit too.
Mom, which question is mine?
Yes, you can take any question from this last question, sixth question you can take, ma.
Yes, mom.
Right. Yes, who are ready, children? Yes, who are ready with your answers? How many of you ready? Please give your answer and you can leave. Yes, 12, 18 and 20, which is highest common? Bhavya, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Which bit for you?
Ma'am, I was doing the fifth one, ma'am.
Yeah, by seeing only you can see what is that common in this a cube and a cube. Both, so you can take a minimum power. Which is minimum power in that?
Ma'am, like I can't understand mine, ma'am, a bit.
In your very simple only, you have directly go with a minus b is your common term, right? Lalit, you see in your expression which is common here.
Ma'am, A minus B.
So you just take outside a minus b. What are leftover part inside? C minus d.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am, understood, ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Minus of these things. Minus if you are sending inside means you just signs will be changed to other.
Yes, ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Please. Bhavya, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got -1 AB.
1 minute, Bhavya. First, okay, just a minute, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, minus -1.
Ma'am, -1 AB.
-1
AB, ma'am.
AB. This is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, so sorry, Bhavya, because good students also unable to catch. Okay, I can understand your pain. So let me see, Bhavya, your question. This is a cube. This is a to the power 4. Which is minimum power?
Ma'am, 3.
3. So can I take a cube as a common? Here, next term. B power 4 and B cube. Which is minimum?
B power 3.
B cube. So if I'm taking a cube and B cube, what is left over here? 4 B's are there. I'm taking 3 B's outside. Only
B.
only
B, ma'am.
B. So here What is, you are taking only a cube on so minus 2 as it is,
So it's minus 2a.
minus 2a. This is your answer, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you understand, Bhavya? What is your thought?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please, in this, you see in this sixth bit, what are the answer for sixth bit? You just 4 table 4, 6, 8 means you can go with common as 2 and m n every term having mn. So m square, okay. Minimum m square term you see. M square, m power 4 and m cube, which is minimum. Minimum is
M power 2.
m square. So n power 1, n square, n cube. So which is minimum power?
N.
N. So you just these terms are common for m square is already taken outside, n is taken outside. What 2 is also taken outside. What is left over? Only 2 2s are 4. 4. Then 2 how many times? 6 you will get, no? 2 3 times, right? 3. So here already m square you are taking outside. So you are taking m square outside means 4 minus 2, how much? You will get only
M
2.
square again.
M square you will get. N square, n power 1 you are taking outside. That means you minus 1. So n only left over in this. Coming to the last term, 2 table 8, when you will get 4 times. 2 4s are 8. So here which is you are taking common, m square you are taking, but you have m cube. M cube means 1 m is left. N cube and n power 1. If you take only n square will be remainder. Like that you can take simplify the. You can factorize the things, children. We will go one more class with this so that you can understand more easily, children. This is the factorization of your given expression. Above one is very simple, which is common in these all. You just see 25, 40 and any other things are common here. No other things are common, right, children? No things are common, only we can express as it is like that. We have no common factors for 24, 40 and 15 and 25 will not go in any same table. Next part is in the first question, what is common in 12, 18 and 20 will go in which table? Can we go with the,
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
huh?
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, if 16 and 12 means 6 times 12.
Ma'am, 6a.
So here which is a cube is there, a power 4
Ma'am,
is
so
there,
a cube, ma'am, we can take as common 2a cube.
a cube, right? Then if
Ma'am,
you
so
have
6 minus
Eight.
ma'am, 9a.
9a, very good.
Ma'am, minus 10a3. A
A
power of
cube. No, yeah, you are taking a very good. 3 outside, already 3. This is expression. Same way here you have to check, children, which is common here 21 and 49. 7
Ma'am,
tables.
7, ma'am, 7.
Here AB is there,
Ma'am,
here also
7ab,
AB.
ma'am, 7ab, ma'am. So, ma'am, it's 3. Ma'am, 3 minus 7c.
Right, that's all. This is the way we can do the factorization, children.
Ma'am, can you show me my question once?
Okay, sure, Mama. This is only little complex. The sixth one other. Children, you understand what are the things? Can I go with the next class also factorization only? You will understand, like, children. Because
Yes,
factors
ma'am.
are nothing but like normal numbers. How we are doing for the algebraic arithmetic, the same way for algebraic expressions we are doing. We are taking eliminating common part. Once you get an idea, you will easily. Bhavya, you understand, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, Abhinav, Manideep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we end up, children? Meet?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Mama. We'll discuss any other doubts in the next class. Please take your textbook and practice the sums, children.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Then you came to know what are the difficulties you are facing. Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, children. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am. Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Lalit. Bye. Bye, Bhavya. Bye, Mama. Bhavya, you understand, right?